The sea gave them everything. Now it's taken it all away. Nets tangled, full of holes. Yet from father to son, fishermen who know nothing else. I hope this will never happen again. I've always lived here by the sea. Fish is the only thing we can sell at market, he says. The super typhoon sent 3 tidal waves crashing ashore. Remel Lomantau salvaged the flotsam and the jetsam and is building a new boat after his own was smashed. Others have cobbled together more curious crafts using shipwrecked refrigerators. From the beach, they look unstable and hard to paddle. It's not really that hard. We're used to sailing boats, he tells me. I really do have to find out what it's like to navigate in a refrigerator. So Edgar says it took him 3 days to build this craft, to find the bits and pieces after the typhoon. You've got cane here that he's used to make the outrigger. It's held together with string. In normal times, the main catch is fish and crabs. But fisherman Edgar Gravillo says he's lost most of his nets. Since the typhoon, he hasn't had much of a haul. Also caught in the floodwaters, now piled on the altar of a nearby church, an effigy of Saint Joaquin. Fishermen here pray to him in troubled times. Outside, parents mourn children ripped from their arms by the killing sea. Marlon Tumlos is leaving cookies from an aid parcel under a cross for his 20-month-old son, Marco, a symbolic offering to the dead. It was like he was sleeping when I found him. It was so difficult for me to accept that he's gone, but he's with the Lord. I miss him, but there's nothing I can do, he says. Back on shore, Ruel Avila reckons it'll take him 2 more weeks to repair his net, but he's in no rush. I'm so afraid now, I'm very afraid. All the houses were destroyed and people were killed by a huge wave. I feel so bad, he says. As a new rainstorm brews, 2 of his neighbours paddle in. Their refrigerator boats are waterlogged. Their nets are empty. Karl Penhaul, CNN, San Roque, the Philippines.